Hello, hello. This is Jabroga, and it's time to do some stock market analysis. Here we're getting everything set up. Okay, I got a new strategy. I ended early the previous day. What was it? Wednesday? Yeah, I got a little irritated. Like I was selling in the money, but it seemed like the stock was going the opposite where I wanted to go. Yeah, and that was irritating me. That don't make forget watching experience. So I just ended the stream. But now we got a new strategy. So I will be less irritated because we got a new strategy we're going to go by, just in case we got some bad actors watching or listening to what I do. Because I be getting them feelings sometimes. In any case, now I wouldn't be surprised if this stock actually goes down for a short term. And if it does, we'll be looking at an opportunity to buy. We definitely will. And also the volume for AMC seemed been kind of low lately, or at least it seemed like it. So with the low volume, I don't know if it's necessarily a good idea to try to get in and get out so much at one time. Yeah, it looks like this is pretty much going to plan. Yep, this is going to what I planned. Seems like now. All right, so we are dropping. It's all good because when it drops to a certain point, we are going to be buying. So and then let's try this. This time I'll keep it a mystery when I'm gonna buy in. I won't say the point. So it could be 2 or 3 more pennies I buy in. It could be 30 cents more than I buy in. Who knows? It's a mystery, right? But yeah, while this is doing its thing, let's go over here to GameStop. We had a little spike coming in. Let's go up to about 2440. I wish it went to 240, but it's 2440 about. Um, Nvidia, it is on the rise. Okay. And here, this is the big one. You talk about a bullet being dodged. Woo! I'm glad I got out of Shiba Inu. This is looking bad. This is looking real bad, man. So we have solidified that this is a times of plenty stock. Like times struggling, this stock don't do good. It really don't do good. This is crazy. Cause I gotta be honest, when it fell to 17, I didn't expect it to fall again. This is wild. But yep, bullet dodged. Big one. I mean a big one. I mean, do a little calculation here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 I think I just had an epiphany for Shiba Inu. I think, hey, hey, I think I just had an epiphany for this stock. Okay, okay. Yeah, we looking good on this end, cause I'm definitely gonna be jumping back in to this stock at one point or another. Can't be giving away our secrets, cause it's just so seem what I do, the opposite happens. So we'll keep it a little mystery. Okay, like who knows? I could get in today. I could get in a year from now. It was like hmm. Well, we just doing the waiting game now. See what's gonna happen. What did Nvidia drop to? Oh, it's actually up. 'Cause I think it was around like 22 at one point, right? What was it? Yeah. But I think the liquidity for the hedge funds trying to stop or not stop but short AMC and GME, I'm starting to think it's kind of running low. Because I said that, how many weeks it been now? Like 2 or 3 weeks since I said it now. Like, let's see. It don't have the dip because this went down to 430. I don't know why Yahoo's not accurate, but anyway, there was a sign. Maybe it was right here. It wasn't this far back, was it? But anyway, there was a part where this it says 423, right? When I thought this was gonna go down to $3, and I really do believe if they had the power, they would have did it. So that's letting me know, in my opinion, that the liquidity for the short sellers is running low, so they wouldn't able to do it. And it seems like they pumping the video, right. This is obviously a pump, and AMC is not affected. Yeah, you can say it went up to $5.30. They stopped the breakout, but they were doing that anyway. They didn't manage to push it any lower. They just did what they was always doing, which was stop a breakout, potential breakout. GameStop is down. Oh, okay, okay. It seems like the shorts are becoming active. But yeah, this is not going to have the desired effect of what they want. This is not going to have the desired effect. Like, it should be obvious at this point, especially on GameStop now. Like, some of this trickery, you can pull some of this trickery on AMC. Like, even on AMC, I think it's not gonna work, but definitely on GameStop, like, nobody gonna sell their shares. They're just gonna buy more. So this ain't gonna work. Man, this is this is so wild. Shiba Inu has about lost all its gains since, wait a minute, 13. Or 13. We're about right here, right? Somewhere right here. But it's going down to this. Man, this is crazy. That all the games are being lost since February. That is crazy. I mean, if it's like this make me think, like, if Bitcoin make a run, will it really go as high as they say, or will it just top the previous high? Because I mean, like, it's having this major pullback. Like, with a pullback this big, if you get out before the pullback, then I mean, you don't need that all-time high like that. You can just reach the current high of what it was previous and still make a killing. And the reason I'm talking about Bitcoin and I'm looking at Shiba Inu is because, like, it usually has a trickle down effect. So usually the altcoins will get some of that afterwards. But yeah, I definitely had an epiphany on this stock, and I learned something big on this today. Yeah, yeah, we got a new strategy on this today. But the question is, when do I get back in? Hmm. Hmm. You know, we gotta ponder here about when I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna be scheming. Hmm. What does it say? Hold on. 28, 26. Okay. GameStop recovered. AMC. Yeah, it's the same old, same old. Seem like we just gonna float around 5. And at this point, I think the hedge funds have figured out they can't do nothing about the shareholders, so they're just attacking the options market. So anybody doing options, I would be alert about these stocks, because if there's one person that comes in and make a big options play, instead of trying to shake off the shareholders, they might try to remove the options player. Yeah, I think their attack vector is options and day traders now. Which I, as a day trader, we have a strategy for that. I'm gonna make money. You ain't gonna stop me. So once I figured out what the play was, oh, because like what I wanted to do necessarily for the time being, because I think the short squeeze is coming, right? I didn't really care if I lost money. What I wanted to do is increase my shares. I gained money, but I lost some shares, so that's why I got irritated Wednesday, because yeah, I made a little bit, but the amount of shares I own went down. I was like, okay, so we gotta switch. I gotta make sure the shares go up, right? That's more important than the daily gain at the time being. So yeah, I know for a fact my shares are going to go up now. I ain't got nothing to worry about. uh, yes, new strategy implemented, baby. It feels good. It feels good. Oh, let me take a little peek over here, see what we're looking like. The 10 and the 200 crossed. This is on the way down, so this stock might drop. Like I said earlier, I had a feeling it was going to. I didn't even look at this. So okay, that's that. You know what? Let me see. We gotta undo. Undo, undo, undo. Get out of here. I don't know why Yahoo make it so hard to draw a line, man. Bruh, it's crazy. I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can line it up. I thought I could, but maybe I can't. Oh, there we go. So we got an upward trend, but it is barely, and I mean barely on the line. Yeah, so more than likely, because this is struggling, right, to go up, it's gonna break the line and go downward. So yeah, we can take that off. And I wish it was a way to get back to the previous screen without pressing the back button, man. But yeah, you can't click this. What is this? No. That don't work. Yeah, you gotta press the back button, as far as I know, to get to the previous chart. That's very inconvenient. But whatever. I might repeat this song. I like it. Yeah, we're gonna repeat that one. Yeah, I'm thinking about the hedge funds. I think instead of, because they was using full force to push the stock down, instead of just pushing the stock down, I think now they have switched over to, instead of pushing it down, they just prevent breakouts. At least that's my opinion at the moment. Which, no matter what they do, they're going to get this squeeze. They just prolonging it. That makes it worse, honestly. Yeah, the more they prolong it, the bigger it's going to become. It's like the Hulk, bruh. It's like you just gotta leave it alone. You should just take the L, but they don't learn. I mean, that is, potential good news for the retail investor because this stock is going to go crazy once the pressure is released. So, and let me say this. So, I can't have the financial terrorists coming after me in the government. So, this is not financial advice because in America, the land of the free, where you have supposedly the First Amendment and you can say whatever you want, it does not apply to stocks. So, they were turning you into a slave and take everything you own if you say, you give your opinion. So we got to say that little disclaimer. It's compelled speech, which, should be illegal in America. So now that I got my little disclaimer out the way that this is not financial advice, we can go back to our normal routine here. But I am a little bit surprised here. I thought AMC was gonna. I mean, it's still around 5, but it's looking like it's breaking to the upside, or at least trying to. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be, if it stayed at 5, it'd be on like the lower end, like pushing up to 5, like 497, 498, 499, like that area. So that's a little bit surprising to me. And honestly, it looked like GameStop is trying to have a breakout. The inmates are trying to run the asylum. They're trying to break out of jail, bro. Let me see here. So we had this little break. It'll go up to. There's so many resistances, man. The next one, 2466. But yeah, after it cleared this, we got a bunch of mini ones, and then it can. But really, until it gets to about 26, we got too many levels of support. There is too many levels of support. But yeah, it looked like this is on the move. Potential breakout. How high would it break to? Oh yeah, we had a breakout. Like, what is it, 64, like the next one? 66. Like, honestly, if I was the hedge funds, if I was y'all, I'd give up. Like, this is not gonna work in your favor. Like, look at this. Like, you just can't win against this. I know it means some of y'all gonna go bankrupt, right? But it's better just to have a few of you go bankrupt than have all of you go bankrupt. Like, bruh. Like I can understand the ones that's bankrupt already, they ain't got nothing to lose, right? But the people that just gonna get hurt severely, like look, you'll have a you'll sustain a critical injury, right? But you'll survive right now. But you keep pushing this down, you're not gonna survive. Second resistance has been broken temporarily. Okay, then we got a bunch of little resistances, right? We got one at what is that? That's like 80 and 99. Yeah, this looks exciting right now, but really we ain't doing nothing until we hit 26. Like until we hit 26, then it's time to start talking. Like that's when it gets scary for the hedge funds. It gets scary for the hedge funds at 26, and this candle is still looking like this. So yeah, we looking like we're probably going to go to 25 at least. Then we might go to 25.18. Yo, we will probably make it to 25. And I don't know why I say we, because I don't have GameStop. I have AMC. Like right now, we as in the stock I own is only 505. Yeah, after 25, I don't know how much higher this gonna go. So this had a little run. A little run here. Okay. A little good run. Alright. Oh. Oh, it broke kinda high. Like okay, 25.18 next. I didn't know it was gonna break the 25.07. Okay, okay, it's being pushed down now. Yeah, 25. What is this? 25.20. This look about at the limit that the hedge funds will accept. Because after that is this one, and there's always a chance that some people just power through, and then this one is broke. It might be a problem for them. Yeah, because it goes from here to up here, and then when it get like pushing 30, people they probably thinking the squeeze is about to come, and then that might actually make it happen, and then you go all the way up to 40. Yeah, so actually, this level of support is a little bit scary right here for the hedge funds. Because they could probably stop it here, but there's always the chance that people could like power through. and then there'll be a after this one there'll be a rally. Like it'll be a small rally, but you know, it could turn into a big one depending on what people thinking. Let me go over here and see like what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia look like it's not doing too well. Man, this stock is taking a beating. Wow, bro, this is crazy. Whew. Something's about to happen. You know, AMC, it's been this price, it's been frozen. So like, unless there's a glitch with Yahoo, which I don't think there is, yeah. Because this is just my opinion. People think like GameStop is the problem for the hedge funds. No, 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 no. GameStop is a problem, but this is the problem right here. This is the problem because they got debt, 3 billion in debt. Like there was like you could lie and do all this kind of other stuff to push the price down like major, right? With AMC. And like even then, like GameStop, even before they collected like the 4 billion in their bank account, they didn't have the debt like AMC had. Like this company was in a way worse position. And like technically, right, it hasn't improved. I mean, it has for the quarterly sales and stuff, but you know, it hasn't affected the books yet. Yeah, so this is the monster in the room right here. Oh, they said another stock had a short squeeze. I think it was cost. I think. Let me see. Yeah. So it went from 4 to 15. 300%. Well, you were looking pretty good right there. See, the thing is, I didn't follow meme stocks early on in 2021. I was doing like other penny stocks, right? I wasn't paying attention to these. Like I didn't know costs came before GME. I mean, if history repeat itself, right? It'd be this one. Then I guess GME would be second, and then AMC. So if it really go like that, I should be looking to get into GME. Really. But see, then I don't know. Like both of them gonna do well, right? I guess it don't matter. But I don't know, like the time frame between these shooting up. Cause if I knew for a fact GME was gonna go first, right? Like even if it's like a 10-minute difference, like okay, like I could get in and get out. But I really am thinking about taking that risk. Well, it's not much of a risk, right? Because GameStop is gonna go up, right? If anything, this is more the risk. This has more potential not to go up. So GameStop is probably a safer bet. I probably should get into here first. And if I miss AMC, I just miss it. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, congratulations to anybody that knew about this stock. I didn't know this went first. I definitely would have been over here if I knew the history. Yeah, I would have made my 300%. That would have been nice, bro. And I would have went right over to here and one of these. Man, that would have been nice. And then it wasn't volatile either. What? What can you do? What can you do? Can't win them all. But I'm gonna win this one. I know that. I'm gonna win this one. See, this is the thing. This is why I don't want to go into GameStop, because if GameStop breaks, it's gonna bankrupt the hedge funds, right? And if the hedge funds go bankrupt, these are probably gonna go at the same time. And then if they go at the same time, I got more shares in here. So just because I got more shares, I'll make more because of the amount of shares. So I don't know. I don't know, man. Now I'll tell you what I want to happen. What I wish would happen is AMC shoot to the moon first. Now that would be a surprise. If that one explode first, you know immediately after I made my profit from AFC, I'll go into GameStop. Like immediate. I'll be like, sell GameStop. Like no delay. Like no delay. Yeah, AMC looking like it's not doing a lot. But hey, when it look like that, look at right here. When it look like nothing happening, something happened. So I've seen this a lot in stocks. Like before I came to these meme stocks, I would look for this a lot. I would look for this flat line in penny stocks because it go for a long time. Then boom. Okay, well it looked like there's no action going on right now. We had a run earlier in GameStop. Yeah, that was the run up. We're having a little sell off now. And the video looked kind of, I guess, stagnant. It's up from the low, which was 22. Wait a minute, what's the low up here? 19. So like, well, how do I say it? The most recent low was 22. But yeah, I got a lot of options. I'm thinking about doing some potential big moves here. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing some potential big moves. I don't want to give away, my plays, but yeah, thinking about doing a little something something. Doing a little something something. Hmm. The volume looked kind of low. Yeah, cause around about 12:30, this should be about 30 million. Well, I mean, if you're going by the average, right? Huh. Oh, let me say this about this stock. Since it already rallied, like this is dangerous to get into now. Like for people that missed the rally, like personally, I would not get in. Like this is real dangerous. Because once the rally happened, there's no telling how high it's gonna go. If you missed it, hey, you gotta jump aboard another ship because this could go down. Yeah, the best case scenario for this, if you're trying to get in, would be to day trade it. Like if you're just trying to get in and sit, I don't know if that's a good idea. Like I don't never try to catch rallies midway. Oh, wait a minute. We're having some action on AMC. It's very slow action, but you know, once they break this, potentially we can go up to here. I don't think gonna hit 34. It might hit 30, but nah, it's not gonna break. It's not gonna break 30. So we'll see if it have a run up. We will see if it have a run up. I mean, in either way, I'm chilling, right? We got our little strategy. So, hey. And this was another thing I've been thinking about. When this short squeeze happened, I'm kind of thinking it won't happen over the weekend because the weekend gives people time to find liquidity, right? So I've been thinking about that a lot. Like just like this July 4th, like that's a day off. That gave them time to find liquidity, and that probably would cause the stock to be pushed down, right? So I'm thinking when the squeeze happen, it's gonna be through the week. It's not gonna be on the weekend because they give them time to run around and do all this trickery. Because I noticed I should have sold out. I noticed like every time there's a weekend, not necessarily a weekend. I should say an event or a break, something like that. Like the stock get pushed down further. But I tell you one thing, hey, push it down this weekend, see what happens. Hey, we will be increasing our position, baby. Push it down. Yeah, we just had a breakout. Breakout. Yeah, unless the breakout is stopped. If the breakout's not stopped, we're probably going here, right? Well, 5:30. I don't think it's gonna get past here, but up here around this area. I guess there is potential for it to stop right here, because this is on the day as well. But my spotter senses is telling me it's probably gonna go up to 5:30. It probably is. And now the volume is low, so this is gonna be a long time. Like it probably might not get there until what time is it? Like an hour from now. You know what? I was looking at this right here. Do they just make another one of these when the normal get too high? Like, that's what it seemed like. But anyway, that was just a random thought. Oh, breakout. Yeah, yeah. The breakout is solidified now. Yeah, it's gonna be a slow increase. This stock is creeping, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm starting to notice some things about this stock. I ain't saying everything I'm noticing, right? But I got some good ideas and theories. I guess I should say that I'm thinking about. Hmm. It doesn't show this. It doesn't make sense. I don't know. Yahoo's weird with their graph, but whatever. Yeah, Yahoo is good for giving you the general idea, but it misses some stuff. Like not like on the day it's pretty good, right? But like when it goes back over time, it don't show everything. Well, this is a interesting development. I expected the stock to be kind of stagnant, but this is okay too. You know, unexpected. Yep, the creep is slow, but it is sure. So we watching this slow rally here. A slow rally. Oh, GameStop is moving to the upside as well. Nvidia is kind of consolidating. Yeah, this is moving to the upside. Looking to retest this 2507 here. Now see, when AMC gets to 530, that's when it potentially gets interesting. Potentially, you know. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think the dam is going to break today. I mean, I wish it would, but you know, I don't think it's gonna break today. So we'll probably just stick around 530 for a little while and then come back down. Yeah, it's hard to say if the rally ran out of steam because it's happening so slow. So it could still be in the process of still going up. But since it's doing it slowly, it's hard to tell. Let me, I'm gonna skip this song. There we go. Okay, when it started doing stuff like that, like the jumping up and down, like looking like it's got pressure going down, I'm inclined to say the rally is about over. Yeah, so what time what time is this right here? Okay, yeah, that's after 9:30, right? So it made a little run from $5, like 514. So about 15 cents. That's pretty good. Pretty good run. Hold on, let me look at this. I can't right click it? No, hold on. We'll go from right here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just looking at some random stuff just to see. Okay, okay. I just wanted to see what's going on over there. Oh, Shiba Inu made a little move, kinda. It's not 13, bruh. They getting obliterated right now. Okay, it look like we are about to retest this resistance right here at 514. Okay. I just wanted to make sure everything is set up right. I forgot to check that. But yeah, let me take Twitch down because it'll if I leave it showing, it'll mess with the stream and the sound or whatever. Okay, so let me put the display back on. There we go. Yeah, we back good now. Yeah, okay. There we go, and we back good. I guess what I should decide now is how long I will stream. I don't know. I don't know how long I will stream. I mean, it's about to be 11. At the very most, I go on to 12, right? But I don't know if I will keep going. Yeah, cause I mean AMC is in the middle of a move, but it's slow, bro. Like I don't know about all that. This slow moving stuff ain't about that. Who's this? This on the day? Yeah, this is on the day. Some people got some good day trading in off that. This is pre-market, so can do nothing right there. You know what? I hate this. This right here, I hate this. How is the thing moving before the market start? Anything. Anyway. Yeah, I always hated like this crap right here. Like if when all this stuff happened, like cause you know the powers can beat the B. You know they making trades right here. We can't do nothing with this. This is trash, man. Every time I see that, they irritate me. Well, I guess there is consolidation in this area right here. So the stop might be right here for a minute. Or not, and maybe it will drop. I guess it got to do the opposite. You know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start saying the opposite of what I want, so the stock could like go where I want it to go. I'm gonna be like, yeah, man, this stock is gonna start. It's gonna drop down to like, well, let's see. I can't. I guess I can't make it obvious, right? I can't say it's gonna drop down to like 75 cent. That'd be obvious, right? So I gotta make something that seems kind of realistic. Like, oh yeah, it's gonna drop to like about 490. Oh, you know what I should do? Let me go over to news here. Oh, we're gonna have a happy ending? Well, let me guess, NBC. No, not NBC. I said the wrong MSN. Let me guess before I go over here. The happy ending is we sell, right? We gotta sell our stock. That's the happy ending. Let me go see. This whole article was not worth reading. All you had to do is say one sentence. I hate like when they write all this. It's like I guess they gotta write an article so they can make money. But look, really, there's no substance in this whole article except for this one sentence. I mean, I get it. I write articles too sometimes. So, but man, just put the important part at the top. You can write all the fluff after that. Oh, this is the old. Man, they ain't got no new. Like, hold on, let me see. You know, sometimes, sometimes this get on my nerves. You know what? Just out of curiosity, let's go over here and see if it's any different. Uh, you know, what is all this crap, man? And pop-ups. Let me see. Holy crap, we got a positive article? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, there's a glitch in the system. Hold up. Hold up. I can't believe it. Alright, well, that didn't really lead anywhere. They had like 2 more articles, but whatever. Okay, we on the downward trend now. Hmm. I'll be honest. I am kind of out of things to say. Yeah, because really, I don't think I'll see any more movement, like a big difference until like around maybe like 2, 3. Yeah, I'm thinking about ending this in a couple minutes. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, cause we seen one big movement. Like that was right here. But I don't think there'll be a lot of action today. I just gotta be honest. Yeah, since the volume's slowing down, this stuff is moving slower. Yeah, it looking like it's falling back here, and then it's gonna stay here for a while. And then over the weekend, I expected to fall. So, you know, I'm gonna over the weekend, I'm gonna come back on Monday, buying some shares. So that's what I expected to do over the weekend.